Hello, people. Right now it's like I'm waiting for this gentleman to come. There's some legal documents that I need to sign that are very important. And uh, anyway, the reason I'm saying this is mm, I'm dressed in my formals, and though it's evening time and it's close to 6:30 in the evening right now, and this gentleman is to come at 6, and no sign of him still now till now. But anyway, like in these next 10 videos, I want to do short reviews of these. Like basically, I've spent the whole afternoon watching Netflix. Yeah, I mean, there's this thing called Lust Stories, that are. It's been newly released on June 15th. It was released on Netflix alone, and basically, it is there are these four directors who come together to make the series, and four directors, as in big names like Anurag Kashyap, Zoya Akhtar, Dibakar Banerjee, and Karan Johar. So you can imagine that the short stories of that caliber, that really, they're really short, maybe just half an hour long, probably because the entire series is just 2 hours long, and so uh, the first segment has it's been directed by Anurag Kashyap, and it has Radhika Apte. And I happen to notice that Apte is also one of the writers of the story, so I presume she's written for the little piece, that short story that she's featuring in. It's a it's it's a movie with four short stories, and I would give it 4 stars, the film, because the first film stars Radhika Apte, and there are these other characters, of course, and the second one has Manisha Koirala and Sanjay Kapoor feature in one thing that is by Dibakar Banerjee, and Zoya Akhtar has Bhumi Ped, Pedna Pedankar, as one of the characters. So, people, while I'm speaking, I'm getting very conscious of the fact that I'm trying to. I do not want to make it sound like a review, yeah, because I wouldn't be personally interested in watching a review type thing. So this is just a very honest, someone who's watched a Netflix film and is just doing a recording. So Kiara Advani and Neha Dhupia, they are seen in this in the final short story that is by Karan Johar. And honestly, I think somewhere of the four short stories, I enjoyed that the best. And there, that shows that Karan Johar, when he gets behind the camera, I mean, there's a certain I mean, like, it there's a very neat start, beginning and end to his story. I mean, like, certain short filmmakers tend to make very abstract films, that they don't really using. But this particular, I mean, it almost has a feel good feeling, which honestly none of the other short stories really had a feel good. I think that's what made a difference. So, like most of Karan Johar films, even this short film has a feel good feeling to it, and it was very wise for on the editor's part or whatever to put his story in the end, because when you finish watching a movie, you apparently we tend to remember the second half of a film far more than the first half. So on that note, it was, I think, very very good. Lust Stories, yeah, pretty. I took the Netflix membership just to watch this program, short film, and then I watched another short film for which I will review in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.